guys, it's Maurice. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is my Tuesday tidying up in the kitchen because as what you can see guys, there's just a lot of stuff all over the place and I think I just need to tidy up. So it doesn't matter what day, as long as if I need to tidy it up, I am going to tidy it up. So for the first thing I need to tackle is the dishes. So these dishes are already clean, so I just need to unload it, put it where it belongs, and then just tidy up the sink. So we're gonna go to the next part of the kitchen. Actually guys, if you notice my outfit for today, it's exactly the same from the last video, and yes, I filmed this one also the same day where I did my announcement video. I just think I want to have a separate video about this tidying up the kitchen, so at least you can see guys how I do it with fast forward or non-fast forward. So after all the dishes being put, I'm going to put this tray, rack, dish, or I don't know how you called it, down in the sink, and also that wet dishwasher. I don't know how you called it, guys. Just hang it out in the back so will it dry, and then I'm just gonna go and start tidying up some stuff that I need to tidying up in that section. So after that, the next spot is the middle counter of the kitchen, which is the main table. You can see there is a lot of stuff. It's just like whatever we come out from below or wherever we are, we just dump a lot of stuff there because that's the closest on the very open area that we put all our stuff. So it's actually rarely filled up of anything, toys, trash, and stuff like that. So tidying up guys in my table counter, sink counter, and stuff like that are not very hard as long as I know where I put all the stuff, so it's not bad at all. And then the following up is all the paper that I put next to the laptop. That's all the paper that I actually just throw it out there, and that's the end of my tidying up guys. I mean, that's it, really nothing all. I hope you guys like watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social medias that I'm going to link down in my description box. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified in my next video. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.